Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this video, I will be showing you how to download pins to your gallery on Pinterest. Let's get started. Open Pinterest on your device first. Tap on any pin that you want to download. Tap on the three dots at the top right. Here it will show you many options. Tap on Download Image. Now if you open your gallery, you can view the downloaded image, and that is how to download your pins to gallery. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.